uh, of my UI challenge, and I have to make a sign up page. The problem I was seeing that the elements on the wireframe were not coming on my prototype. So the solution I have found through my self-learning journey is that whenever you have to bring any kind of element, it must be under the frame. So suppose the password is not coming over here. So what I'll do, I'll go there, right click, and I'll say, ask him to come in front, bring to front. It will come, but I have to drag it because it's up now. I have to drag it down under the frame. So it's there now, so I can see on prototype now easily. I'll do the same all in this one also. Send, bring to front. It will come over here. Let's do the same with other elements. I'll bring it over here, or maybe over here, yeah, because this is a rectangle too. And let's see the other ones I need to bring. Password is over there. I think it's already been done. It's under the frame, wireframe, but let's go to rectangle 4, bring to front, and let's bring it over here. Maybe it's for password. So I have to do it all manually. So this is the only thing I have learned up till yet, how to self-configure the problem which I'm seeing. Bring to front. It eventually goes up. So I have to bring it down by myself. So let's do this, and I'll be arranging later which rectangle belongs to which option. So it's never too late to learn on your own. So name, email is done. Password, I have to fix where it will go. Let's see. Let's see, is this one? Yeah, this is the rectangle 3. Rectangle 4 is this one. So that means the password is rectangle 4. The password should come above the rectangle. Okay, so I am done, and it all appears on the prototype. I'm not even concerned what are the specs of this whole text and a button and image. By the way, it's my own image. I vectorized it by myself. So let's see and reload on prototype. Restart prototype. Let's start again. So it's here. This is my sign up page for my day 1 challenge of UI. Hope to see you again.